বৃষ্টি পড়েছে, অমনি 10টা 11টা অবধি ঘুমাচ্ছ, পড়াশুনো যখন শুরু হবে তখন 1টা অবধি ঘুমিও, ঠিক আছে? এখন তো কেউ কিছু বলবে না, তখন যা করার করো। আশা করি সবাই খুব খুব ভালো আছেন। ওয়েলকাম টু তীর্থ লাইফ এন্ড মোর। কি খবর তোমার? হ্যাঁ না, তুমি বলো একটা ব্যাপার। তুমি যে সেদিন আমায় দেখলে রাস্তার ধারে, দেখে লুকিয়ে গেলে কেন? তুমি তোমার গার্লফ্রেন্ড নিয়ে ঘুরতেই পারো, আমার তাতে কিছু যায় আসে না। তা আমাকে দেখো লুকানোর কি আছে? আমার কোনো প্রবলেম নাই, কোনো প্রবলেম নাই। তাহলে তুমি ঝোপের ভেতর থেকে বেরোবে, ঝোপের ভেতর থেকে বেরোবে একটা গার্লফ্রেন্ড নিয়ে? এইটা তো আমি ঠিক বুঝতে পারি না কি ব্যাপার। But still your face and your gaze, I remember at 59. Oh, আজকে পুরো রোদ্দুর উঠে গেছে, দেখ চারিদিকে রোদ্দুর, দেখ। গত 3 দিন ধরে টানা বৃষ্টি হওয়ার পর ঘরে থাকার জন্য এবারটা আর ঘরে থাকতে চাইছে না। এখন বাধ্য হয়ে ওকে নিয়ে সকালবেলা উঠে ছাদে আসতে হলো। মুখখানা দেখো, এটা বড় হয়ে রজতাভ দত্ত হবে, আমি যা বুঝতে পারছি। হাই করে দে সবাইকে, হাই করে দে সবাইকে। ঘরে গিয়ে খেলাধুলো কর বাবা, ঘরে যা, কাজ কম বেঁচে থাকো তুমি। টাটা টাটা। Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Yes. How are you?
Fine. Thank you for this.
Yes. That is a pulse.
Thank you.
Start your day with pulse.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. আপনাকে আমি 1 লাখ টাকা দিলাম আর সিমলা যাওয়ার টিকিট দিলাম। আপনি কোনটা নেবেন?
Shimla. Exploring is must.
আপনি সিমলাটা নেবেন, মানে ঘুরতে যাওয়াটা আপনার কাছে প্রায়োরিটি।
Yes.
ওকে, আপনি কি করবেন রাধেশ্যাম বাবু?
আমি টাকা, আমার সবাই টাকাটাই মেন।
ঘোরাটা পরে হবে, টাকা থাকলে ঘোরা যাবে।
হ্যাঁ।
রাধেশ্যাম বাবু কিন্তু বুদ্ধিমান মানুষ, মানে 1 লাখ টাকা থাকলে ওখান থেকে কোনো সিমলা ম্যানেজ করতে পারবেন, কিন্তু
টাকাটাও থাকবে।
টাকাটাও থাকবে,
কারণ
কিন্তু
1 লাখ টাকা তো শিমলায় ঘোরা।
ঠিক ঠিক, কিন্তু তাহলে বুদ্ধিটা কার বেশি?
এই
ভদ্রলোকের
experience,
experience।
experience তো ম্যাটার করে না।
Yes. Good morning. How are you all?
Fine.
Very good. Sit down. Okay. In this class, I'm just explaining you one thing to all of you. The thing is that you are going to a fair, a village fair. Okay? Your age is around 6, 7. As soon as you reach to that fair, You discover that your grandmother is not there. You're one and only alone inside the bed. So what is the first sentence which comes and arises in your mind and you will speak it?
Grandpa, where are you?
Grandpa, where are you? Ma'am?
Where is my grandpa? Hey God. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
God, I'm lost.
Okay.
How can I return my home?
Where is grandpa?
Where's my grandpa?
Where is my grandpa? I lost my grandpa.
Yes?
I lost my grandpa and now I have to.
You will cry or without crying you will say
I
that.
will cry.
You will cry and say I lost my grandpa,
Yes.
right?
Okay. Where is my grandfather?
Where's my grandfather? What will you say?
I will cry.
You will cry only, right? And you forgot what to say. Means I'm that much shocked that I forgot what to say. Come to
Where
me.
is my grandfather?
Where's my grandpa?
I cannot find my grandfather.
You cannot find. I cannot find my grandfather. Father, right?
Where is my grandpa?
Ma'am, please sit.
Where are you, grandpa?
Where are you, grandpa? And what will you say?
My grandfather is.
My grandfather is no more. If he says my grandfather is no more, is that correct? Is that correct? So when should we say that my father is no more, my grandfather is no more, he or she is no more? Which time we should say this? When that person is dead and he or she is no more, that time we say that. And you must not say my grandfather is no more. What's your dream job?
I want to be a police.
You want to be a police? And what's your dream job?
Software developer. I don't like job.
So you want to do business?
Yes.
Which kind of business you have choice?
Manufacturing.
Yes?
Manufacturing.
Manufacturing business. Manufacturing of which thing?
Cars.
Yes?
Car.
Car.
Automobiles.
Car manufacturing. I gave you $1,000 and told you to bring 10 packets of biryani. Now when you reach to the shop,
I will thank you.
you saw that each and every biryani packet cost 120 rupees. Will you be able to bring 10 packets now?
I will thank you and I will pay with my own money. Some. It will.
Oh, the great spirit. How many of you want to be his friend? He will pay from his own pocket. So this kind of friends are quite good in our life. Very nice, thank you. So I am coming to Abhijit. Abhijit, do you like to wear this kind of rings? The rings. I'm just telling about these rings. Do you like to wear these rings?
Yes.
Means you believe in that. You have a belief. Yes. You are too early, ma'am. Please come. Take your seat. You are too early. Good morning. It's 11:30, around 11:30, 11:28. Good morning. Oh my God. You're too early to this class, ma'am. With visa, make one sentence. You can open your mask. You can open your mask.
I missed my flight because of I did not get any visa.
Second,
I missed my flight because of I did not get my visa.
because of, not only because, or as. I missed my flight as
As
I didn't get my visa on time. Right? I didn't get my visa on time. What is visa, by the way? Anybody can explain what is visa, by the way? Anybody can explain? I told it already in one class, right? What is visa, by the way? Can you say? Can anybody say? Anybody say visa? What is visa? You know about visa? Yes? So what is visa?
Permission for going another country.
Yes, you're right. Permission for going to some other countries, maintaining some rules and ethics, and that is visa, right?
I did not get my visa 2 years.
Thank you so much. DONOT. What is it?
Don't.
DONOT.
Do not.
Do not. In case of spoken, what it comes?
Don't.
Don't. DIDNOT. What is that?
Did not.
Did not. In case of spoken,
Didn't.
didn't. Okay. One thing you need to keep it in mind, that whatever you are speaking, whenever you are speaking, you need to be very much confident. You need to feel like that. I am the king of this world, I am the queen of this world, and nobody is there before me. I am just standing on the top of the mountain, right? Whatever I will speak that loudly and very clearly. If you are not speaking very clearly or loudly, it shows that you are not confident from your inner side. Is there any problem, guys? No. Did you like this class? Yes. And how's the Josh? How's the Josh? Thank you so much. Thank you for today's class. Thank you. Take care of yourself.